What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Horsepower Cartel. It's Sunday morning, and you guys already know what time it is. It is time for a Sunday drive. We're taking the Nissan out. The reason why I'm not taking the M5 out is because she might get sold today, guys. I have a buyer coming in. Check her out. So I don't want to risk anything because you guys know how reliable this thing is. So we're going to go in the Nissan. And actually, you know what? The M5 is running pretty good. So I'm sorry to say that. I'll be seeing you later, and I'll be seeing you now. The one thing I really like about waking up on Sunday morning is taking this thing out. This is honestly my favorite car. One of the most favorite cars I've ever owned besides the M5. And it just makes such sweet sounds. Ooh, listen to that cold start. I have a check engine light, guys, and that is because of the O2 sensor, and it'll probably go away later, or it might stay, but who knows. Let's see. So right now, just waiting for my buddy with the C43. He has the white C43. Remember, if you guys remember seeing him in my other vlogs, he's a very close friend of mine, almost like a little bro. My buddy Pratik. So just waiting on him. He is getting some air, filling some air in his car, so yeah. But that's right, guys, the M5 might be sold today. There's a buyer coming to check it out. Obviously, I'm buying a car and its replacement, and I found a car. Of course, I'll reveal it to you guys soon as I get it, and as soon as the M5 sells. Now, everyone's probably like, oh, why are you selling it if it's running good? You know, it's such a good car. You're pussying out by selling it. But honestly, man, I feel like the time has come. It's my time to move on with that car, you know? Like, just, it's time to get rid of it. All good things got to come to an end, you know? I mean, I think it's time for me to move on, experience something new, bring you guys some more new content other than the M5 every other day. I'm telling you, man, it's an amazing car. I would love to keep it, but not that I'm bored of it. And if it doesn't sell, I'll do some more things to it, you know? I'll maybe get another wrap, probably some new wheels, or paint the wheels, or paint the car. Who knows? I'm definitely thinking about getting a different exhaust setup as well. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully everything goes in my favor. I'm having mixed emotions about it, so yeah. And just like my ex-girlfriend, my check engine light disappeared. Weird car, but that O2 sensor needs to be changed. It keeps acting up, and I think that's one of the reasons why this car is running rich. Also need to get the mass airflow sensor changed as well. Gloomy day here in Mumbai. Oh. And just like my ex-girlfriends, they leave me and they come right back. And there she is. Back to normal. So I hope you guys enjoyed that Sunday morning drive. It's like a ritual now every Sunday, as you guys know. A lot of nice cars. It was like a twin turbo party. Every car was twin turbo, whether it was an inline 6, my V6, and then you got the C43 with V6 twin turbo, my Nissan V6 twin turbo, and both the M5's V8 twin turbos. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, like, share with all your friends and family. Quickly went home, dropped off the Nissan, went upstairs, took a quick shower, and picked up the M5. Luckily, it is nice and clean. I'm on my way right now to show it to its potential buyer. Let's see how it goes. Wish me luck. Either way, I'm going to be a happy person, you know. There's a part of me that wants to sell it. There's a part of me that doesn't want to sell it. So let's see how it goes. I'm happy either way. So I'll see you guys soon. Another episode of Horsepower Cartel. Thanks for watching.